In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting MSG files to Excel format using the RecoveryTools MSG migrator. To install our MSG to Excel converter, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select CSV option for this tutorial. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. The file naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted MSG files. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly converted files. Let's take a look at advanced filter options of our tool. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.